Right, we're going on a quick test drive here. This thing is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. That dark green paint looks amazing. You're gonna have your typical rattles. That steering wheel's nice and straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Feels real responsive. Brakes feel good. See how the turning is here. That power steering is nice and smooth. Got a good turning radius. You're gonna hear all the creaks from that top. It's shifting nice and smooth. We're doing a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that wheel. You're gonna see a little bit of rash right here, a couple small scuffs. Otherwise, looks really good. A little ding here maybe. Here on the fender. You're gonna have your typical swirls from everyday washing. You're gonna see some really light scuffs here. Looks like a potential touch-up spot there. You can see just how clean that panel gap is. A couple tiny chips there. Little scuffs here and there, but overall very, very nice. That dark green is absolutely gorgeous. Here on this wheel, you do have a gash right here and a little ding. A couple spots. Kind of scanning through all that, just looks really good. Now you're going to see these little imperfections here. A couple hard water spots. See these tiny little specks in the paint. See a small crack right there. A little scuff here, small scuff there. Couple rock impacts. See a really light scuff here. I think with a full paint correction, this paint will look even better. I see a couple dimples in the paint. All right, going down this fender, I do see some cracks right there. The upper section right here overall looks good. Looking at this, like I said, you're gonna see little flaws here and there, but overall it looks so good. That wheel looks nice. Making our way up this little pillar here, that looks good. Body lines look nice. Looking down that door, everything's just nice and straight. You're gonna have a couple little chips in this area, a few little scuffs. See a little imperfection in the paint there. That wheel looks good. Typical little scuffs here. Like I said, with the full paint correction, I think all that will come out. The lights look nice. This chrome is in great condition. Couple little scuffs here. Very, very nice. And scanning through this engine bay, I'll just kind of go through some of this. Try to get up close. Looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now you're gonna have little flaws here on the inside. You can see some of that's ripped. That looks good. Handles on there nice and secure. All of that looks nice. Typical little wear here on the trim. A couple little scuffs. Looking at that seat. That leather's still nice and soft. A couple little markings. Typical wear. That looks really nice. You do have a crack right here. You have your typical wear. But overall, it is in really good condition. This is really, really nice. All right, checking out this side. Looking at that panel. Overall, really nice. Handles on there nice and secure. Looks really good. Trying to get in the jams here. Looking at that seat. All that leather is really soft. Looks really nice. Trying to get here on the upper side. Beautiful on this side.